welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and unique releases from Toyota this year, the 2025 Toyota JPN Rickshaw. This innovative vehicle blends modern technology with traditional Japanese design, offering a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly urban transport. A modern twist on tradition, the Toyota JPN Rickshaw pays homage to Japan's rich cultural heritage, specifically the rickshaws that once dominated the streets of Kyoto and Tokyo in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. However, Toyota has taken this traditional concept and infused it with cutting-edge technology, making it a sustainable and practical option for today's cities. Design and aesthetics: the JPN Rickshaw sports a sleek, minimalist design that stays true to its roots while incorporating futuristic elements. Key highlights include aerodynamic frame, crafted from lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminium for durability and efficiency. LED lighting, integrated ambient lighting for both safety and style. Comfortable cabin, a spacious, weatherproof passenger cabin with plush seating and traditional Japanese designed cues, such as wooden accents and tatami-inspired flooring. Eco-friendly engineering: Toyota has equipped the JPN Rickshaw with an electric powertrain, ensuring zero emissions. Key specifications include electric motor, a compact yet powerful motor offering smooth and silent rides. Battery range, a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for urban environments and tourist hotspots. Solar panels, optional solar panel roofing to boost battery efficiency during daylight hours. Smart features: Toyota didn't stop at just making the JPN Rickshaw eco-friendly, they've packed it with smart technology. Autonomous mode, ideal for guided tours in tourist-heavy areas, offering passengers a hands-free experience. Connected app, users can book rides, track routes, and even customize cabin settings through Toyota's dedicated app. Safety features: advanced safety systems, including collision detection, automated braking, and 360-degree cameras. Target market: the JPN Rickshaw is designed for a range of uses, including urban commutes, for short distance, eco-friendly travel in congested cities, tourism, perfect for sightseeing in historic towns and cultural hubs, events, a stylish transport option for weddings, festivals, and other special occasions. Pricing and availability: Toyota plans to roll out the JPN Rickshaw in select markets starting mid-2025. With an estimated price of $12,000 used $15,000. This pricing positions it as an affordable option for small businesses, tour operators, and even private owners. Final thoughts: the 2025 Toyota JPN Rickshaw is a bold step forward in sustainable transportation, blending Japan's traditional values with modern innovation. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement about where mobility is headed in the 21st century. What do you think of this fusion of tradition and technology? Would you ride or invest in one of these? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive updates. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watch video and subscribe YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.